Hi everyone, welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and I'm a lover of notebooks, planners, papers, stationery, pens, and other arts and crafts materials. So when my friends from Zephyro sent me these highlighters and pens, I get really excited to think of creative ways and how I will use them. This is the first time that I'll be using a Korean highlighter, so I'm excited to check out the colors of these sets. Aside from its cute colors and comfortable grip, these highlighters are quick drying, non-toxic, and acid-free. Now let me show you how I use these highlighters. I've been using highlighters to effectively study since I was in elementary. Although it doesn't replace the beauty of note-taking, you may use it to connect and highlight important ideas while reading. I also didn't experience any problem with smudging because these highlighters are fast drying. You may also use these highlighters for lettering. Just use the pointed tip for upstroke and the chisel tip for downstroke. Now I'm using the black Java pen with 0.4 tip to create the shadows. You may also use this retractable Java pen to create faux calligraphy. Since these Java pens and highlighters are both quick drying, they are good partners for bullet journaling. As you can see, the ink did not smudge once I used the highlighter on top of it. Are you about to wrap a gift and then you realize that you do not have a gift wrapper with you? Don't worry, because all you need is a bond paper and some highlighters. Now that you have your DIY gift wrapper, it's time to wrap the gift. Now that we have a gift, we need a gift card. Just get a strip of paper and fold it in half. Then, cut the edge on whatever pattern you like. Now it's time to decorate it using our highlighter. Now let us write something using the tip of our highlighter. And now our gift is ready. So those are some of the things that we can do using our pens and highlighters. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!